Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject Science.
Good morning. Welcome back to 4th Science online class. In today's class, we are going to write 13th lesson book exercise. First one, objective type questions. A. Choose the correct option. First one, the number of planets in our solar system. Options A7, B8, C9, D10. How many planets in our solar system? Yes, 8. The number of planets in our solar system? Answer B8. Second one, the biggest planet of the solar system. A. Earth, B. Jupiter, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. Answer B. Jupiter. Third one, these causes day and night. A. Rotation of the earth, B. Revolution of the earth, C. Change of the position of the sun, D. Change of the position of the moon. Answer A. Rotation of the earth. Fourth one, a group of stars is a dash. A. Constellation, B. Galaxy, C. Bundle, D. Planet. Answer A. Constellation. Fifth one, what is the average temperature on the surface of the moons at night? A. 100 degrees Celsius, B. minus 100 degrees Celsius, C. 173 degrees Celsius, D. minus 173 degree Celsius. Answer minus 173 degree Celsius. D is the correct answer. Sixth one, what are stars made up of? A. Gases, B. Heat, C. Light, D. all of these. Answer D. all of these. Seventh one, a planet with rings. A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. Answer B. Saturn. Eighth one, planets that forms a striped pattern by pulling clouds around it. A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. Answer A. Jupiter. Next, B. Match the following. Match column A with column B. First one, Mercury. Answer E. Smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. Second one, Mars. Mars is the red planet. C2. Then Venus. Venus, hottest planet. D. And fourth one, Saturn. Planet with rings. A. Fourth one. Fifth one, Uranus. That is B. Outer planet. Okay. Answer 4, 5, 2, 3 and 1. Next, second Roman letter, very short answer type questions. A. Give one word for the following. First one, the blue planet. Answer Earth. Earth is the blue planet. Second one, The heavenly body that moves around a planet. The heavenly body that moves around a planet, that is satellite. Third one, the spinning movement of the earth on its own axis. The spinning movement of the earth is called rotation. So answer, rotation. Then fourth one, a constellation that looks like a hunter. The answer is Orion. Fifth one, rainy season in India. It is called monsoon seasons. Next, B. Give 2 examples for each of the following. First one, dwarf planet. Example, Pluto Ceres. Second one, constellation. Example, Orion, Ursa Major. Third one, outer planets. Example, Saturn, Neptune. Fourth one, movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. Then fifth one, imaginary lines of the earth is equator axis. Okay, book exercise is over. Answer the following questions will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.